Hello guys, have you ever seen a music video on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or any other social media or phone app like radio? You wanted to download the music in the video but you couldn't. Don't worry, here is the solution cause today I'm teaching you how to download a music you find in a video on a social media or any other app in your phone. But before we do this, please kindly subscribe on our YouTube channel and turn on notification bell for more other tricks and mobile help. Okay guys, let's go. Go to your Play Store, open Play Store app, then search for Shazam. Shazam. Here is it. This is Shazam. Open the app. Download the app. Then after downloading the app, you have to open the app. Alright guys, after downloading the Shazam app, just go to the app. This is the Shazam. This is it. Open the app. Then minimize the app. Go to home. There was a music I saw on Facebook, but I don't know the name. So let's go. I saved the music. Let's go to save. This is the music. This is Eminem's song. I wanted to download the music but I don't know the title. So let's go.
On the first page of our story.
I minimize the Shazam, go back to it, then tap to Shazam, type this icon, as you can see, listening for music, searching for a match. So let's go. Minimize back to Facebook.
I don't know why I'm still so
The notification. This is Love the Way You Lie by Eminem featuring Tyler Gray. This is the title of the music and the artist. So this is how to discover a music you heard on social media or radio or anywhere in your phone. Thanks.